Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through chocolate feast, which is a problem under implementation section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So before getting deeper and deeper into the problem statement, I really encourage you to subscribe to do not miss what we are doing here in terms of problem solving and data structure and algorithm, because we are really doing interesting stuff. So in this problem, we have a situation where you have an initial amount of money, and then you have the cost of one chocolate, and then you have the number of amount of chocolate wrapper that you can use to buy one chocolate. That means if I'm able to buy if I'm able to buy three chocolate, I can use those two wrapper to have one more chocolate. So we can achieve a chocolate by either having the amount 3 or having 2 wrapper. So now in this point, we are supposed to find out how many chocolate we can have, um, given the number of amount we have at the initial, and then giving the price of the chocolate, and the last condition, the number of wrapper you can use to achieve one chocolate. So how are we going to solve it given this example? So we are really going to keep it natural. Like, okay, we are going to buy chocolate one after the other. So I will buy my first chocolate. If after buying a given number of chocolate, the number of wrapper allow me to have a chocolate, I will take the chocolate. And then by doing so, at the end, if my money is finished, then yeah, I will return the number of chocolate I was able to buy with that amount of money. So how will it look like? So it will look something like, okay, I will have the result that will initiate at 0, and then I will have the wrapper that will initiate at 0. So I will say, okay, while my money is n is greater than c, greater or equal to c. If I have this, that means I can buy a chocolate. So if I can buy a chocolate, I will have the wrapper at the end. So I will say, okay, result plus plus, that means I'm able to buy one chocolate. I will say wrapper plus plus, that means, okay, I'll be able to have the wrapper at the end. And then I need to decrement the number of chocolate. I need to decrement the number of money in my total money, because buying one chocolate will actually reduce my money by c. So at the end of this, I always need to check, okay, if the wrapper is actually equal to m, that means I can use the wrapper to have one chocolate. What does that mean, using the wrapper to have one chocolate? Is increment my result. That means, yeah. And then, more importantly, you need to reset the number of wrapper to 1. Why am I supposed to reset the number of wrapper to 1? Because after taking this, if wrapper is equal to m, I can take one chocolate, and then this chocolate wrapper should be the initial value of the number of wrapper we have. So at the end of this, we can return result. Let us submit and see what it gives. Nice, everything is going. So this was my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to leave me a message in the comment section if you want me to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video. Keep learning, keep improving. Ciao.